right, guys, here is the beautiful brand new Lamborghini Revuelto. Actually, there's two of them. Oh my God, look how gorgeous these cars look. They're about to go out for a very fun spin in the snow, along with other raging bulls, which you'll see in a minute. Two of them are freaking amazing. I love them with all my heart. And one of them, we call it the Lamb Truck. It's gonna be fun. Check this out, guys. Let's go. There's just something magical about a Lamborghini Revuelto doing donuts in the snow. I love this thing. Here's a cockpit view and along with a bird's eye view of what they're doing here. And it's so cool, dude. This is like so much fun. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. We are chasing a Revuelto, inside of a Revuelto, and behind us is a Huracán. Look at this thing. Oh, so cool, man.
Which two Lamborghinis were your favorite in this video? My two were the Sterato and the Revuelto. Absolutely love those two freaking cars. Drop a comment below and comment and let me know which two were your favorite Lamborghinis, or one or three or whatever. I know you guys love Lamborghinis. That's why you watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, I love you guys. Peace.